Wing Chun, a traditional Chinese martial art, is renowned for its efficient and practical combat techniques. Among its many techniques, Lap Sao, also known as pulling hand, stands out as a crucial skill for controlling and neutralizing an opponent's attack. This essay will explore the importance of Lap Sao through the lens of its real-life applications, highlighting its effectiveness and strategic value. Lap Sao is a fundamental technique in Wing Chun, primarily used to trap and control an opponent's arm while striking simultaneously. The technique involves redirecting the opponent's force through precise hand movements and positioning. By doing so, the Wing Chun practitioner gains the upper hand, establishing control over the opponent's movement and neutralizing any potential threat. In a practical sense, Lap Sao plays a significant role in close-quarter combat scenarios. By effortlessly intercepting an opponent's punch or strike, the Wing Chun practitioner can prevent any further aggression. By engaging in Lap Sao, they are able to both strike the opponent and gain control of their arm, effectively immobilizing them and diminishing their ability to retaliate. This dual function of Lap Sao is what sets it apart from other techniques and makes it an invaluable asset in real-life self-defense situations. One critical aspect of Lap Sao is its emphasis on precision and timing. Wing Chun practitioners spend countless hours honing their skills through various Lap Sao tutorials, ensuring that their movements are fluid, accurate, and lightning fast. The ability to read an opponent's intention, react swiftly, and execute Lap Sao with impeccable timing is what allows Wing Chun practitioners to conquer their adversaries efficiently and effectively. Furthermore, Lap Sao is not limited to merely countering an opponent's attack but can also be utilized for transitioning seamlessly into further offensive actions. By neutralizing the opponent's arm and establishing control, the Wing Chun practitioner gains the opportunity to launch devastating follow-up strikes. This ability to seamlessly flow from defense to offense showcases the strategic value of Lap Sao. Moreover, the benefits of Lap Sao extend beyond close-quarter combat. Wing Chun practitioners often apply the principles of Lap Sao to disarm an opponent, manipulate their grips, or create openings for other techniques. By understanding the intricacies of Lap Sao and mastering its execution, practitioners can adapt and apply it in various combat scenarios, making it an indispensable tool in their arsenal. In conclusion, Lap Sao, the pulling hand technique in Wing Chun, is a skill of great significance and usefulness. Its real-life applications, ranging from self-defense to disarming opponents,